Just a quick updates for BTC dominance. Targets updates with my customer care set. Guys, you remember the targets. So all lines are dynamic and we have a few changes since the beginning of December. It was 39.66, the zone of fixation altcoins, and now this zone is around 39.76. It's a buy. Yes, it's a buy line. So it's a line where we need to buy back Bitcoin, not alts. And of course, it's like time where we need to out totally from alts. I hope we will reach these targets. And of course, it's hard to count, in percentage, but the BTC against alts should drop 32%. And the last 3 years, the alts just going significantly down against the BTC in trading pair, like for example, .BTC, not .USDT. Of course, the alts crash it down even with USDT trading pair, but pair in to BTC, it's also so important. I don't think so. We will reach the take profit line. Now it's 79%. Is it possible? Technically, yes, guys. Unfortunately, it's possible. And if all institutional and some major banks, even maybe the government, start selling the alts and start buying the BTC, yes, we can see the dominance of BTC on the market over than 79%. So it's possible. Technically, we leave the high here in September 19. After that, sweep that high. If we talk about a technical picture, sweep that high December 20, and you remember the craziest rally of alts. If people think, oh, it's impossible to see the 32% drop, here's example. Of course, I don't think so. We will see the same rally. That time it was 45% drop from the top, and all spring, 2021, the alts perform. Now, I hope we will see these levels again one day. If we take a look and the negative scenario, of course, guys, if we come back inside this hypothetical trend line, because we gotta touch, drop it down, break out, and now the road should be to the 54%, even under. But if we come back, yes, we can climb even to, in this, triangle, and climb to 79, unfortunately, guys. So I hope not. Because I think a lot of people now in alts on a spot, especially if you trade just the futures, you totally don't care. So weekly time frame, guys, we tested the 100 EMA on the weekly time frame. The next step should be 56.42. It's the same like it was December 24. You can open the altcoins. You remember how alts perform during this drop from 61 to 55, around 54 and 5. So now I hope we will see the same rally, and the sweep this low, and maybe even continue going down during the spring. Monthly time frame, guys, take profit line 73.21. I hope also we will not see these levels. Buy line where we need to buy the BTC back, it's at 36.82, and 20 EMA or 50, I guess. It's 50 EMA on a monthly, it's 56.49. My take is, I hope and I think BTC can go in a sideways. After that, show some one more new all-time high. It's 139K. If we will not see 139K or something around this range, we can bounce at least to 110, 115. And if we reject, we're gonna form the not a double top. We're gonna form the head and shoulder, yes, on the BTC, and going down. And in this case, yes, alts will perform. So this is going to be the best case scenario for all of us. If not, guys, and if we come back again inside this range, we're going to wreck our portfolio with the alts again, unfortunately. Like you can see, the lines are dynamic. And you remember on the weekly time frame, I start track this buy line, I don't know, in 2023, I guess. So that line was 28%. Now it's almost at 40. So I guess in spring, by end of spring, for example, it can be even 41, 42. And if it's going to be the, I don't know, November, maybe the cycle extended in time, it can be even the 45, for example. So the lines you see. You can add alerts, for example, to the take profit line, buy line, I mean. Here, buy line is going to be the time to sell alts and buy back BTC. I guess it's going to be the around 50K on a BTC or even 42. So approximately that range. Based on the money power, guys, and there is no money into BTC. You know, if we talk about it against the alts, this was a fixation BTC. You know, when we need to fix the BTC, it was April 2025. After that, we've shown the double top at this current moment. And June 2025, it was a time to sell BTC. Also, no positive signal now to accumulate BTC. Time to buy BTC was here in the main one in August 17. So congrats everybody who accumulated BTC and now more profitable than everybody who hold the altcoins. So let's double check, guys, with now no signal also on a monthly to buy a BTC. And I hope alts will perform. Daily, if we double check the daily with ADZ direction, highly recommend you use the dashboard, by the way, guys, this one all in one place. You can adjust it to your time frames, all 6 indicators. Here, what we can see, this was a time to buy BTC, you know, this one. So we crash it down and June 2025. So let me check the BTC that time, June 2025. Small time frame. Here, it was a time to buy BTC because we performed from 100K to 125. Yes, it was pretty good rally. And now nothing. So I hope we're going to form the divergence, you know, and drop lower than 57, drop to 40, 54, and to maybe even 40. On the weekly time frame, yes, we already in the sale zone. So it was a top of the top, after that top of the top. And we need to see the drop again to the accumulation zone like it was here in May 2021. It was a top on alts, and we need to see the same bottom on a Bitcoin. So this is it. Now, no accumulation based on direction indicator. So guys, a lot of things showing us, so some alts should perform. You know, the main problem with alts, it's too much altcoins now. And only, I guess, few of them, I guess it's like 10, 20, 50 maybe alts will perform, but there's millions alts. Market mood in this belief, so it's good. So it's technically it's good. And monthly BTC oversaturated. So a time to buy BTC will be again if we will see the capitulation zone like it was June 2022 till December 2022. It was an accumulation zone for BTC. Now, you know, based on risk ratio, altcoins more can be with the bigger returns, right, than BTC. And the last one is trade on. We can hide the market mood. It's hard to say by time, guys. It's hard to say. So if it's a May, here, I guess we can test, for example, 42%. And it's going to be end of cycle for alts. If cycle extends, it's hard to say. Maybe we're going to pump to by end of autumn to 79. But I'm more about this zone. I'm waiting this zone. I had alerts, so I'm waiting. A sell, so now no signal to buy. Nothing. No, not even a buyback. Daily. Sell, the last one here, sell, buy back. So yes, you see some alts perform now, but we should see like impulse, correction, and impulse. So this is the way. Targets and updates I showed you. On the buy line on the daily, it's 39.90. So in summer it was like 43. You know, so the lines are dynamic. So I hope to see in the spring, till end of spring, you know, some alts performs, and buy line on a day, on a weekly, on a BTC dominance. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about a BTC dominance? Will we see the altcoin season, or all money will go into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance will go over than 60% again? If you'd like to trade as my customer, as I was showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Motegam channel. See you next time, guys.